Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable notification in Pokémon Go. To enable notifications in Pokémon Go, open the Pokémon Go application on your smartphone. Now from the home page, tap the Pokéball icon at the bottom center of the screen to open the menu. Now click on the settings button at the top right corner and then tap on notifications. Now, click on the Turn on Notifications button at the top. For this, you'll need to go to your device's settings app, tap on Pokémon Go, tap on Notification and turn on Allow Notifications. Simply go ahead and follow the steps displayed in the pop-up. And after you end up in this Allow Notification tab, toggle on the button right next to Allow Notification, get back to the Pokémon Go application, and then inside Notifications tab, you can go ahead and enable specific notification you want by toggling the switches next to the options such as from a gym, from play, low motivation, route guidance, etc. After you have done enabling the specific notifications for special events and so on, you can then go back to the home screen of Pokémon Go. That is how you can easily enable notification setting in Pokémon Go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.